Good afternoon, students of class 9. In previous video, we had studied about a skeletal system, some part of the skeletal system we had completed, and we had also studied about pelvic girdle as well as pectoral girdle, which are the parts of appendicular system. The appendicular skeleton, we have studied axial skeleton. We had started appendicular. We had completed our axial skeleton, and we had started appendicular skeleton. There we had studied about pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Now the next part of our appendicular skeleton are our forelimbs. Our forelimbs consist of different bones. First, you see in this upper part of our forelimb, there is a single bone, rod-like bone, and it is known as a humerus, whose head portion is articulated in the glenoid cavity of pectoral girdle. Clear? This in the lower part of our forearm, there are two long bones, and these two long bones are known as radioulna. Radioulna is the combined word. The bone which faces towards inside is known as radius. First word faces towards inside, and second word will face towards outside. So the radius faces towards inside, ulna faces towards outside. Combined name is radioulna. After that, you see in wrist region. In wrist region, total 8 bones are there, smaller bones, and these 8 smaller bones are so arranged that they can glide, they can slide above one another, and this is the reason why you are able to move your palm region. These 8 smaller bones, are known as carpals. Clear? In this palm region, you see there are 5 long bones, and these 5 long bones are known as metacarpals. Clear? Now come in fingers. In your thumb region, in your thumb, only 2 bones are there. In your thumb, only 2 bones are there. Rest, each finger will contain 3 smaller bones. And these, in this way, total 4 3 are 12 plus 2. 4 3 are 12 plus 2. 14. These 14 smaller bones are known as phalanges. Clear? So our forelimb consists of only one bone, humerus. Radioulna consisting of 2 bones, radius and ulna. Carpals, 8 bones. Metacarpals, 5 bones, and phalanges 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14. What will be the number? You see, total number will become 30. So in our one forelimb, total 30 bones are there. What are those? Humerus, radioulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. In the same way, in our hind limbs, bones of hind limbs. In the upper part of our hind, that is in thigh region, there is a single bone, and that single bone there is known as a femur, whose head portion is articulated in a cup-like depression known as acetabulum of the pelvic girdle. In this lower part of our hind limb, again there are 2 bones, and these 2 bones are known as tibiofibula. Tibiofibula. Again, you see, tibio is the first word. This term is made up of 2 terms, tibius and fibula. Tibius faces towards inside, and fibula. Tibius faces towards inside, and fibula will face towards outside. After that, in ankle region, there are 7 bones, not 8. In here, in forearms, there are 8 bones, but in ankle region, there are 7 bones, and these 7 bones are known as tarsals. These 7 bones are known as tarsals. In the lower part of your forearm, Again, there are 5 long bones, and these long bones are known as metatarsals. They are known as metatarsals. And in the finger of hind limbs, again the thumb of your hind limb will contain 2 bones, smaller bones, but phalanges, that is 4 fingers of our hand limb, will contain total 14 bones, that is 12, these are 12 bones. So 12 plus 2, 14, and these are known as phalanges. In phalanges is the common word in forearm as well as in hand limb, forelimb and hand limb. So in forelimbs, if you in hand limb, if you count the total number of bones, it will become 29. You have studied in forearms, there are total 30 bones, but in hand limb there are total 29 bones. Where is difference? In wrist and in ankle region. In wrist region 8 bones, in ankle region only 7 bones. Now in this knee region, there is a cap-like structure, and that cap-like structure is known as patella. In your knee region, the knee is covered by means of a cap-like structure known as patella. Including this patella, again 30 bones are there in. Clear? So in our hand limbs also, including patella, there are 30 bones. This question is important for comparison. Name different types of bones along with their number. Name different types of bones along with their number, and compare the bones of forelimbs and hind limbs. You can say compare the bones of forelimbs and hind limbs by taking the name of the bones as well as their numbers. So you have, how will you give answer? Towards one side you write down forelimbs, and towards the other side you write down a hand limb. In forelimbs you write the names of according to position, name of the bones as well as their numbers. In this case also you write their names and their number. This will be the comparison of bones of forelimbs and hand limbs. In this way you have all completed appendicular skeleton also. Now very small portion is left, that is known as joints. And about joints, what are joints? Joints are the places where 2 bones meet together. Here you are studying radioulna and humerus, both are fusing together. So the point where the 2 bones fuse together is known as joints. And joints are of 3 types. There are some joints in our body where joint bones cannot move. For example, in cranium, you have studied there are total 8 bones, but these 8 plate-like bones are so firmly attached that they cannot move. Such type of joint is known as immovable joint. There are some parts in our body where the joint bones can move up to a certain degree. That is known as partial joint. For example, your backbone, you can turn your body slight forward, upward, rightward, left side, because the bones are attached with the help of partial movement. And third is freely movement. First is immovable, second is partial movable, and third is immovable joint, where third is a freely movable joint. For example, you are able to move here, or you are able to rotate your forearm. So here this joining of humerus with pectoral girdle, we can say it is of freely movable joints. So on the basis of movement, the joints are of 3 types. It may be immovable, it may be partial movable, or it may be freely movable. Okay. And about the different types of joints, again on the basis of nature, the freely movable joints are divided into different categories. We shall study about those in the next video. Okay. Thank you.